We're here at CES 2020 and we're going to find some really awesome stuff to show you guys. And welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks on how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So I'm here at Pix and they've got a very, very cool bag. Let me show you a demo of how that works.
Tons of different artworks that you can choose and upload right to the backpack. And then you can also create your own designs. Or even play games. Let me show this. It looks like this. It's the usual standard PowerEgg for 10,000 milliamperes. Allows you to light for 6-7 hours on the highest brightness. Also, the screen here is flexible. It is water repellent.
No, don't worry, this is not yet another robotic home vacuum cleaner. This is Lucy. Lucy is not only a robotic vacuum cleaner, but she is smart, she's got AI technology built in, and she's actually a security system as well. Let me tell you what I mean. So firstly, most of these vacuum cleaners can only see from 4 inches and above. She can see from 1 inch and above. Therefore, she's not going to bump into your slippers. She's not going to drag your dog's messes all over the house. She will actually avoid all of those. Really, really cool. The fact that she can identify things in front of her, including when she goes into a room, she can identify a bed. She can identify that that is now a bedroom, and you can set it to say, okay, Lucy, I want you to go clean the bedrooms today. It's all due to that amazing technology, those cameras in the front. Let me show you what she actually can see. So here's some toys, and this is what Lucy can see. So, alright, so well, let me move up. Let me move the giraffe away, and you can see she can actually recognize and see what's going on. Really, really cool. I'm going to have much more information, hopefully be able to review this properly in my home. And here it is, Lucy as a security monitor. There's me waving, and you can see it through the cameras. Really awesome. Right, I have found something else that you guys absolutely need to see. Nancy, what have we got going on here?
So this is the line dock. It's an external battery for computers that comes with a bunch of ports, so it's actually also a beautiful docking station, and it comes with some storage, so you can store your files, hook it up with external monitors like here, and
Right now it's a Mac product at the moment.
yeah, right now it's only for Mac, so and we're eventually looking at some Windows versions. So that's what's inside. It's a little Easter egg for people that want to get amazed by tech again. And it's actually a little explanation about where the product has been designed, where it's been assembled. So our stuff is made in Denmark, and this is where the team is coming from. So we're from Europe, from the US. No, you're right. I was talking to you.
Okay, so I found another cool thing. So you know I work with Edifier. I just did the TWS NB review, but you've got to check this out. Okay, so we're in this little room, and then I just heard this amazing sound coming out of it. These are got to be like $3,000-$4,000 speakers, right? Well, not really. This is a $799 speaker. It's for the pair, you know, not for one, for the pair. Bluetooth, simply plug it in, find a good spot in your house. You do not have to run wires because obviously Bluetooth. You got to listen to the sound. All right, listen to this. Crazy, right? Is it really CES without a drone? I think not. So this is the PowerEgg X from a company called PowerVision. Love this little guy. I've actually been working with PowerVision. I've got one of these units to review, so more in-depth coming soon. Now check this out, it's not your regular drone because it's got all this waterproof housing and these pontoons to land and take off on water. Yes, I did say water, this thing is actually waterproof with that case. I'm not sure your current drone can do this, but watch this. It's going to go straight into the waterfall and doesn't miss a beat. How epic is that? You can fly it in the rain, you can fly from your boat without having to worry about losing your drone. Now no, it's not special effects. Let me get a little bit closer, you can see it. Now, as if that's not epic enough, in fact, the PowerEgg X can actually be transformed into a handheld camera. 4K, 3-axis gimbal, and AI tracking that can track the subject. More to come, watch this space. Let me know if you guys like this kind of technology. Hit the head below to subscribe. If this is your first time here, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Check out some of these other cool tech videos right over here, and I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers.